Jeff, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And you have some good click to action buttons throughout that will help with your conversions, this form as well. One thing that I would recommend for your homepage here would be to have some more content. Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7. And so they're looking through all of the content that you have on your website and seeing what all of your photos are saved as, and they're looking for keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Kansas City foundation repair. And when your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. But if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these businesses would be to have a Google business profile with more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you'd want to maintain a good amount of reviews as well as geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. And so you want to be on this first page here because 90% of people will stay on the first page. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword. Now if we go through the KC Pier website, they have some good call to actions as well with the forms and click to calls. But if we quickly scroll through here, it'd be really easy to outdo them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website, starting with the KC Pier. Here are some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 34 and 4. And what's making up these ratings are the 1.91 thousand backlinks that they have. And these backlinks are coming from 419 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality ones that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional there. And then they have 1.3 thousand keywords on their website. And so if we go over, we can take a look at yours. I have your URL plugged in here. And right now there's 0 and 16. And what's making up your ratings here are the backlinks that you have. Just under 3,000 backlinks from 430 referring domains, and you have 7 keywords on your website. And so what I recommend here is boosting these numbers, and specifically this one. And so you'd want to make sure that you're getting the high quality backlinks, as well as adding buyer intent keywords to your website so that you're being found for what you want to be found for. One way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You can go into your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of the keywords that they're ranking for. Foundation repair Kansas City. 700 people are searching for this every single month. Kansas City foundation repair, 100, 200, 80, 150, 200, 150, 150, and so this list just keeps going here. And then there are pages of some keywords. And so in order for you to get more traffic and customers for yourself, you would want that Google business profile ranking, so have more citations there, as well as getting your website to rank. So you'd want to have high quality backlinks added, as well as having high quality content to support your buyer intent keywords. And so that I hope that you found this video valuable. I would love to hear from you just to find out if it was helpful or not for you. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.